What's up, everyone? I'm back at you. Still working on the reverse flow offset smoker. I got the firebox just about done. Got to put the handle on there. Just test fitting it to see how it mates up with the 24 by 48 inch smoke chamber. Got it on my engine dolly, engine hoist, I should say. Plan is, after I get everything mocked up, welded up, I'm going to take it to a local powder coater where they're actually going to sandblast it for me. I figured it's a whole lot easier than me spending hours and a whole lot of money on flap discs and grinding wheels. But still a work in progress, as you can see. Try to get in a little bit of time every day. It's kind of hard with the wife and kids, always on my case. But a man's got to do what a man's got to do. Leave me some comments. Subscribe if you want to follow my project here. Again, this is a DIY kit from Big Phil's Smokers and Metalworks, located in Royce City, Texas. This unit here runs about $1,400 for the DIY kit. That does not include delivery. Delivery, depending on where you live in the country, could cost you a few $100s. So if you're interested, go to www.bigphilsmokersandmetalworks.com. Check out the selection of products that he has to offer. Does more than just the DIY kits. He's got trailers. Does an amazing job at welding. Obviously, I'm not a welder. Just a DIY kind of guy, and I figured since I have a welder, yeah, I could do this. Give you a little close-up of some of my welding work. As you can see, it is not by any stretch of the imagination professional work. But it's all right for me. It's definitely all right for me. I'm working with my Lincoln Electric Power MIG 180C. It's doing a decent job, I think. But again, I'm not a welder, not even a fabricator. Just a guy with a few toys that likes to play. Subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Until the next video, when I'm going to preview my new plasma cutter. Just got this about a week ago. I've only used it once today. Obviously, I'm not a fabricator. As you can see, I cut out this so that I could weld it on and hoist. It's not a great circle at all. I guess I ought to get a jig or some kind of stencil to use with the plasma cutter. But this is the Thermodynamics Cutmaster 40. I chose to get this. I was actually debating that and the PowerMax 30 XP, the non-air version, because I do have a compressor. I was tossing and turning and trying to decide. When I looked at the specifications for both units, it seems like this thermodynamic unit has 40 amps, whereas the XP only has 30 amps. This thermodynamic seems to be capable of cutting thicker material. Not that I'm cutting anything thick right now, just 1/4 inch. So I decided to give thermodynamics a try. I ordered it, and took a couple of days before I got that your order has shipped email. And in those couple of days, I was just kicking myself thinking, I should have ordered the Power Max 30. I should have ordered the Power Max 30. Then I got that email saying it was on the way, so it was too late at that point to call and cancel. But it is what it is. Seems to be doing fine. Like I said, I've only used it once. I do want to do a little review video on it once I get better with it, and let you guys know what a non-fabricator, non-welder guy like myself thinks about it. Once again, if you like what you see, if you like the content, hit the subscribe, leave me a comment. I'd appreciate any feedback you got. I can only learn if people leave me some feedback. I'm out.